everybody using this to drive their cars and don't accidentally drive off the road or something and not get lost. The thing that keeps cars nowhere is. But 50 years ago, GPS was never known. Let me explain. Also, GPS, for a reason, it shuts down after 1,200 miles per hour or 60,000 feet in the air. Okay, I will explain these in detail, okay? So, first things first. GPS. Before GPS was invented, the USA had a hard time keeping track of their nuclear submarines, which is something you really want to keep track of. So before the GPS, they used something called the direct transmission satellites, which is a lot like GPS, but not really like GPS. It uses a lot of satellites, like GPS, to transmit signal waves onto the submarines, which gives it an approximate look. But because there were so many nuclear submarines and there were so small satellites, sometimes most of the times, only one satellite was transmitted to a nuclear submarine, which only made a small approximation. Yes, you could technically approximate where it is, but still it takes a lot of time. So that's how we invented GPS. The USA invented it with no star GPS. Okay, it was classified when it invented in 1970s, and no one even knew, and no one can use it. No one even knew that GPS was a thing. Okay, so that's how GPS is created. It is created for locating submarines and stuffs for the USA military. But then, in 1981, for some reason, Ronald Reagan, in his presidency in 1981, a plane from Anchorage to Korea, Seoul, on a Korea airline, was accidentally entered Soviet-Russian airspace and was shot down, and everybody there was killed. They said if GPS was available to the public, this entire thing could be avoided completely. So weeks later, Ronald Reagan announced GPS. But there are some rules, okay? So first, it was not very 100% accuracy, only 100% accuracy between this radius of 100 meters. That means if you try to nuke this White House, you might be accidentally a little smaller. But that was overturned by Bill Clinton, I think, in 2001. So yeah, another rule is the GPS only will work if you're driving at under 1,200 miles per hour or over 60,000 feet, or both. Yeah, and that's how the GPS came. And that's used actually for navigating submarines.